Alright, so we have our HTML and CSS pretty much done. What we want to do now is implement the slider and the jQuery tabs. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to our index page in our HTML template. And we want to go all the way down to the bottom where we have the script tags. Alright, and then under the unslider.js declaration, we're going to open up a script tag, and we're going to do a little bit of JavaScript here to implement the slider. Okay, so we need to use jQuery, so we're going to say jQuery, and we're going to pass in the document, and we're going to say when it's ready, we want to run a function. Okay, we want to pass in the $sign for jQuery. And then we want to get the slider div. Alright, in my case, I called the class mySlider. So we're going to grab that, and then we're going to call .unslider. Okay, and then inside there, we're going to pass in some curly braces, and this is where we can put options. Alright, now we want options for arrows. Okay, so arrows, and that's going to be set to some curly braces, and let's do the previous. So in here we need the HTML for the arrows. So let's say a class, and this is going to have a class of unslider dash arrow, and then prev. Alright, and then let's see. Instead of using words, we're going to use an icon from Font Awesome. So we're going to use the I tag, and let's give it a class of FA-3, and then let's use the icon FA-arrow-circle-left. Okay, that's the icon we're going to use. Alright, and then what we'll do is copy this and put a comma here, and then we're going to say next. Actually, no, we'll just paste what we just copied and then change this to next. Alright, and then change this right here to next. And let's change this FA arrow class from left to right. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and save that. And there we go. Okay, now these arrows, I don't want to keep them like this. I want to, for one, make them bigger, make them have a white color, and move them up here. So let's open up the style sheet. We're going to open up style CSS, and let's go down to the bottom. Actually, we'll go up to where the showcase is. And what we can do is say unslider arrow, and set margin top to -350 pixels. Okay, and then we're going to set the color to white. Alright, now for the size, we're going to say unslider arrow, and then .fa. Okay, we'll set font size to 45 pixels, and let's make it somewhat transparent. We'll say opacity 0.3. Okay, and then for the nav, the little circles, I want to just move them down a little. They have a class of unslider-nav. And we're just going to say margin top 15 pixels. Alright, so let's go take a look at that. Oops, that's not it. And now you can see the arrows they look much better. Okay, so that's our slideshow. Now for the tabs, we pretty much have everything in place. We just need to add a little bit of JavaScript down at the bottom here. I'm going to just put this in separate script tags. And we're going to use jQuery here. We're going to say function. And then let's grab the tabs ID and say dot tabs. Okay, go reload, and there we go. All right, so that all looks good. So I think we're ready to start to create our WordPress theme. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.